Alright, so hi everyone. This is the Quik Pik Bell Work for Intensive app, and I just want to go over how you should explain these questions. Even though the standard never exposed to your student, but there's a way that you can go over quickly with them, because the ideas of using Quik Pik is expose these questions to your student, and when they see the standard again, they recognize the question. Okay, so this is the bell work that I gave to my student for about 5 minutes, and now it's time for me to go over them. Okay, so let me go over them as a teacher to my student. So for question number 1, they gotta find the equivalent to fraction and select all the apply. So I know that I need to select more than one answer. So look at the numerator. If the numerator is less than the denominator, I know the answer has to be less than 0. So I'm gonna put less than 1, so I'm gonna put a 0 point right here. Okay? And then when I put a 0, I need to put a 0 on the numerator. So I have 20 divided by 3. Okay, so I'm gonna look at my answer and see which one, when I multiply with 3, will give me close to 20. These are too big for me to try, so I'm gonna try this. So 7 times 3, 21. That's a possible answer that I can select. 6 times 3 will be 18, so that's close to 20. So my answer will be C and D. So I'm using my elimination choice to quickly over that without teaching them how to do long division. Okay. All right. Number 3, you can tell the student, like, I know you haven't learned about the cube root yet, but for now, just know that the answer will be 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 will give you 27. You don't have to go over the whole lesson about it. All right. Number 3 is not a function, so you can talk about draw a vertical line test. So when I'm drawing a vertical line test on these graph, whatever the one that touched more than 1 point, so it's 2 points or more, will not function. So look at this. This is 1, 1. This is 2, 1, 1. So this is my answer because it crossed more than 1 point, so it's not a function. Okay. So for number 4, you can pull out the highlight word is rotate. So when they go to the geometry lesson, the rotate means one of the way that they can transform the figure, and they reserve the measure. The reserve means they keep the same. So if the angle is 30, they rotate, the answer is still 30 because they reserve it. Okay? Number 5, they tell you that the weight decreased and the maximum increased. That means it's not going to be a positive slope. It's going to be a negative slope. So you know that you're going to eliminate B and D. And now you're going to look at A and C. Which one have the best fit line? So obviously this line will give you the best fit line. And that's how quickly you can go over these 5 questions without over teaching the standard, because they haven't exposed to these standard, but you can quickly go over the question with them. Thank you.